Hello, and welcome back to Berdu.id channel. In this video, we'll discuss how to set up customer balance on your website using Berdu. Customer balance allows customers to top up their accounts directly on your website. So whenever they shop, payments will be deducted automatically from their available balance. This means they won't need to transfer money repeatedly, and this system can greatly retain customer loyalty on your website. This tutorial will be divided into 3 parts. Activating customer balance on your website, explaining the top-up mechanism, and showing how customers can check out using their balance. Before we start, please subscribe to Berdu channel to explore hundreds of other tutorials. Click the like button below and turn on the notification bell as well. To activate customer balance, go to your Berdu's website dashboard. Navigate to Apps, select Customer Balance, and click Use. Then click Add New Balance. Here, enter a name for the balance, for example, Customer Balance or Loyalty Points. Keep in mind, this name is only visible to the website manager, not customers. I'll enter Customer Balance here. Additionally, there's an option to allow partial payments on checkout, which means customers can partially pay using their balance when checking out. Check this box if you'd like to enable it, or uncheck it if you don't. Please note that this feature does not support pre-order products. Once set, click Save. The next step is displaying this balance information on your website for customers. You can add this to the homepage or an additional page. For this example, I'll add it to the customer profile page on the homepage. Hover over the navigation menu and select Customer Profile. We'll add it here. To display the customer balance, add a new section and choose the View Customer Balance section. In the Customer Balance section, select the balance name we created earlier. You can customize the displayed text. I'll write it like this. If the balance doesn't appear immediately, it's because the balance will only be shown to customers who are logged in. For preview purposes, click the profile icon here and select Log in as Customer. Then choose any customer you'd like. Now the customer balance should appear here, currently showing $0. Once done, click Done. Next, let's add a section to display the customer's balance transaction history. Add a new section and choose Customer Balance History. Select the customer balance name created earlier. This section will display all transactions involving the customer's balance, whether additions or subtraction. Currently, there's no transaction history yet, so the default text appears as No History. You can customize this text if you'd like. Now, let's test updating customer balance from the admin dashboard and observe the transaction history. Save this page first. Open a new tab and go to your Berdu website dashboard. Navigate to Customers and choose a customer whose balance you'd like to edit. For instance, Sarah. Click on the Balance menu, then select Edit. Here, you can add balance according to your specified amount. Enter the amount in the Next Balance field. For example, $100. For the description, you can write something that customers will see in their transaction history. I'll enter Top Up via Transfer, 31st March 2025. The admin note is optional and visible only to website admins. I'll leave it blank for now. When ready, click Update. If the balance doesn't appear immediately in the customer's profile, please refresh the page. Now the balance should display as $100. If we click on the history, we see the detailed transaction record, including date and the description we provided. Now let's verify this on the customer profile page's layout editor. First, you need to refresh the page. Notice the current customer session logged in is John Lee. Since we edited Sarah's balance, let's switch the login session to Sarah. The transaction history now displays correctly, including the timestamp and the description we entered earlier. Let's return to the balance settings. Apart from setting balances, you can automatically increase or decrease the customer's balance. Click Edit again. If you choose the Add option, any amount you enter here, for example, $50, will automatically be added to the existing balance, with the final balance appearing here, such as $150. The same applies for subtraction. Any amount entered here will be subtracted from the existing balance. For example, if we subtract $30 from the original $10, the new balance becomes $70. I'll leave the description empty and click Update. Now, the balance has decreased to $70. Checking the history again, the subtraction and final balance are clearly shown. Let's refresh the Customer Profile Layout Editor, switching the session back to Sarah. Sarah's detailed transaction history now shows each transaction with date, amount subtracted, and final balance. Since we left the description empty, it displays the default text. That's all for this tutorial. In the next video, we'll discuss how customers can top up their balance themselves. Stay tuned. Like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu channel for more tutorials. Don't forget to follow our social media accounts for more exciting content. See you in the next video.